At British Land, we want Broadgate Tower to be ready for the future. That's why we've appointed BAM Construction to deliver a comprehensive refurbishment and remodel of the existing 34-storey tower.
We needed to install 15 air source heat pumps across 3 zones across 2 levels.
The air source heat pumps were part of the original design of the building planned to decarbonise the stock for British Land.
At 160 metres high, none of the usual solutions worked, especially considering the building is built on steelwork on top of Liverpool Street Station. So we turned to Radius, our long-term lifting partner, to explore alternate solutions.
The collaboration that was involved in this operation started with the amazing trust that were placed in us by our client British Land and their project managers Bianco.
I was particularly proud with the team's coordination to execute this operation with military precision.